everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Sketchbook Free Edition to draw trees with beautiful autumn color. First, we're going to use the flow airbrush from left-hand side and with the maximum size to paint 3 types of greens and 2 oranges on the picture. Lighter color goes to the top and darker color goes to the bottom. Then we switch to the signature ink with the default setting, and the brownish color we select from the right hand side to draw the tree trunks and branches. We use 3 types of sizes, 50, 30, and 10 to draw the trunk, thicker branch, and the tiny branches. We will repeat the process 3 times on 3 different layers. Each layer is for a single tree. Once we are done, then we're going to make all layers visible and then move the layer with the middle tree to the back, which representing the middle tree is far away from us, and the left-hand tree is the closest tree to us. Then we're going to make a new layer in front of the middle tree to draw leaves. We're still going to use the signature ink, but just change the shape and the texture to make it suitable for leaves drawing. We're also going to increase the size to 400 and make the other trees invisible. So when we draw the leaves for the middle tree, we only use 2 colors, green, dark green at the back, and dark orange on the top. And then for the middle tree, the right-hand tree, which is not far away from us, we use 4 different colors, 2 greens and 2 oranges. Lighter color goes to top and the darker colors goes to bottom. For the left-hand tree, which is closest to us, we use 6 colors, 3 greens and 3 oranges. And then once we're done, we make all layers visible, and on the layer which is at the top, we're going to use the maximum size 500 to draw red leaves. Once we are done with all these, we're going to merge the leaf layer and the tree trunk layer together for each of the tree. And then eventually we will get 4 different layers. Now we're going to adjust the brightness of the layers. The background is going to be darker, -30. And then the middle tree, which is far away from us, has a brightness -20. And the right-hand tree is a little bit far away from us, has a brightness -10. Now you are done. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.